Well, dudes, the cryptoverse has been a bit of a dumpster fire as of late, which is okay because as long as you're dollar cost averaging into your long-term bags, whether that's XRP or something else, everything will work out in the end. And for me personally, I do dollar cost average into XRP because, well, I believe in the long-term viability of the coin. Otherwise, I wouldn't have repeat purchases going on it every single day of the week. But what is dollar cost averaging exactly? Well, let me explain. Dollar cost averaging is the process of investing your money over time. Instead of investing in one single lump sum and trying to time the market to your advantage, you divide your initial investment into several tranches and trade at a set time periodically. For example, if you have $100,000 to invest, may decide to invest $25,000 per quarter for 4 quarters, or invest $8,033 per month for 12 months, or invest $3,846 every 2 weeks for 26 weeks. The idea behind this method is that by purchasing smaller amounts over a period of time as opposed to in one go, you're more likely to average out with a better return. Hence, this is why it could be a good idea to do this with XRP if you believe in the project long-term like myself. Most crypto exchanges, such as Uphold, are built to facilitate dollar cost averaging. You just link your bank account to your investment account or deposit an initial amount and manually set up the scheduled contributions to your XRP bags. The exchange Uphold, in this case, will be able to automate the investments. And beyond the initial setup, there is very little work for you to do since it will just chunk out daily, weekly, or monthly. From an emotional perspective, leveraging automated investment systems like dollar cost averaging helps remove the stress associated with timing the market, something that regularly plagues most crypto traders. And once again, I wanted to show you guys my Uphold account where I am still holding a nice bag of 40,000 XRP coins because I am expecting XRP to go to the moon at some point, hopefully very soon. Of course, I needed to also point out that if you guys wanted to dollar cost average on an exchange for XRP and other cryptos, I would highly recommend using Uphold. I've been using them for over 2 years and love the platform. So there will be some bonus and resource links you can check out directly below in the description. And why would you want to dollar cost average into XRP at this very moment? Well, I'm glad you asked because I would like to pump you guys up a little from an article I have pulled up from the Crypto Basic explaining that XRP could be looking to hit $20 per coin very soon. The article says XRP is approaching a crucial moment as it nears a key convergence point identified through recent technical analysis. Financial analyst Javen Marks highlighted this development in a recent X, formerly Twitter post, noting an RSI pattern that suggests robust underlying momentum in XRP prices. Marks believes this pattern indicates a potential bullish breakout in the near future. Marx's analysis draws attention to the RSI pattern, which has been forming a series of lower highs and higher lows. This descending trend line in the RSI suggests a decrease in momentum as the price consolidates within a symmetrical triangle pattern on the chart. Historically, this type of pattern often precedes a significant price movement, either upward or downward. In this case, the RSI pattern supports the potential for an upward breakout. Should the bullish breakout occur, Marks Post further projects a conservative target price range of $15 to $20 for XRP, contingent on current market conditions. A conservative target for a breakout and logarithmic follow-through here could be $15, $20, which could result in a 20x, 36x from here in a more than 2,000% run. This potential price surge represents a substantial increase, potentially yielding returns between 20 to 36 times the current value, an impressive gain exceeding 2,000%. The long-term target suggested by the chart is approximately $19.82, reflecting a potential 2905.05% increase from the current price level. Anyways, if that doesn't pump you guys up a little, I don't know what else will. I would like to wrap things up by going over some other good coin recommendations other than XRP to diversify into not financial advice, but I think it's important starting with Dogecoin. I'm not the biggest meme coin buyer, but I'll tell you what, Doge right now is looking prime for an explosion. You know, we're basically on the 3-year anniversary of when this thing went from like, you know, a few cents to like 70 cents. And that was, you know, 3 years ago. It's basically making the same move on the chart. And if we look at where Bitcoin is right now, you know, at some point it is going to blow past its old all-time highs, go over 100K. And Dogecoin, man, even though the market cap on it is larger than it was 3 years ago, you have diminishing returns or whatever, but, you know, still, if you're looking for a meme coin play that's not Pepe or Shiba or Floki or something like that, then yeah, I would highly recommend Doge because it's safer. And, you know, I do believe, you know, it could easily blow past $1, which would give you a really good return. You know, there are people out there that are saying it's going to go to like, you know, $10. I don't believe that, but I do think $1 is, you know, very, very attainable for Doge. Okay, next we've got the graph, which is kind of in the AI realm of cryptos. And, you know, AI, it is still becoming a hot topic. It's not going anywhere. You know, ChatGPT, Google Bard, Baird, whatever, you know. But yeah, AI. So the graph is a coin I've been holding for years. It's unique in the fact that what it does is it indexes different cryptocurrencies, kind of like a Google for cryptos. That's what they've been referred to. But they're also kind of like in the AI niche. And, you know, it is I believe it's in the top 50 right now. It's going to have some good growth for sure. And if you don't have a lot of AI cryptos, I would recommend taking a look at the graph because, like I said, it is unique in what it's trying to do. But yeah, it's still far from its old all-time highs. Then we got Fetch AI, kind of the same kind of thing here with AI cryptos. Now this one, it does have a 2 billion market cap right now, which puts it in one of the higher ranges of AI cryptos. However, it would not surprise me to see this thing, you know, 5 to 10x from where it's currently at, especially as, you know, Bitcoin continues moving up and we continued in this bull run. But yeah, the AI thing, I think it's going to stay strong throughout the entire bull run for cryptos. And, you know, the graph, Fetch AI, just a couple of them that I would recommend taking a look at. And even though, like I said, the market cap on this one is a little bit bigger, it is what it is. All right, then we've got Engine Coin. Now, I can't get away from Engine Coin because I definitely feel like it's one of the most undervalued gaming cryptos that you could buy right now. You know, it's been around for over 10 years, started off as a gaming community. Gaming cryptos right now are not as hot as they were, I would say, like probably just like a couple of months ago. But you know, this is how it works, right? We look at AI cryptos, we look at meme cryptos, and then all of a sudden gaming cryptos are hot. However, you know, Engine, strong partnerships, they've got basically everything you would want in a project. And, you know, the return on this one could be very good. You know, you're looking at 10 to 20x, I would say. It would not surprise me at all. You know, the old all-time high on this was around like $4 or something. And then last coin we've got here is going to be Star Atlas, which is kind of like my risk it for the biscuit play, as I like to say it. Now, Star Atlas is a gaming crypto. Market cap on it is a lot smaller. It kind of ranges around 100 million. But, you know, they just released like the actual game, which took a long time. They've got a great team behind this one. And you know, this could be the one you get that 50 to 100x return. I'm not going to say it's going to happen. However, you know, if you're looking for those crazy returns, you got to take risk. And, you know, who knows? This one could be it. They've got different things you can do within the game. I'd recommend, well, I'm going to pull up the trailer for it here in a second, but there are now gameplays that you can check out on YouTube for it, so I'd recommend taking a look at that as well. And it's pretty crazy what is going on with Star Atlas. Anyways, I'm going to run the trailer, but to bring this all home, you know, Uphold, just wanted to give you an update on my account. Definitely recommend them as an exchange. Like I said, we'll have some bonus resources you can check out below in the description. I forgot to mention, too, you get on our crypto newsletter. We send out 1 email a week on, you know, just good updates. If you made it this far, tap that like, and let's run this Star Atlas.
Miles, the station reported a distress signal last night. They think it came from your dad's ship.
The signal, it came from past the outer ring. How is that even possible? His ship has been reported missing for 20 years now. Pretty sure he's not coming back.
We go there, we might not come back.
What is this place?
This is going to change everything. They found out we have the map. They're gonna kill us for it.
If that's the case, there's only one thing we can do.